everyone, it's Millymil, also known as Mildred from Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor Ideas. So y'all remember the last video I had, I believe it was the last one, when I did an update on my refrigerator because it had, you know, it was just getting old and it had some dents in it. So what we did was we covered it with a metallic wallpaper, you know, to give it that metallic look, you know, for time being, you know, until everything, you know, like you're on a budget. Like I said, Monee's on a budget, so we're going along with her budget. And it came out very nice. And if you, she probably could show you the refrigerator that we did the last video. And we did these things here. And this is what I told y'all to do. Go buy one of these. Cut it to the size of your refrigerator handle. We made our own handle for the kids. And I gave the kids some bicycle handles, as y'all can see. And all you do is you make a hole, take a scissors, and there goes scissors. Cut in the middle of the loop. And remember now, you got to size this up. I'm just showing you. Just cut. If you got good scissors to use, by means do so. Just don't cut yourself. Make sure it's safe. And you cut some more out from here so that you could just fit it right on the handle. First of all, you have to put the paper on. You just take it, just roll it, you know, with some glue. You can use the glue, what you call the glue? Hot glue. So you need hot glue. You need your paper that you're going to cover it with for the kids. During the summertime, the kids' hands are dirty, and I got tired of wiping that down. Or you could use some Mod Podge. Okay, you put it on this here, and take the paper and go around, or put some on the paper too, and go around this until you get to inside of here. And you tuck the paper in, put some glue over here. This is where you could get the hot glue, glue it in, you know, and fix it however you want up here, like how I did this one, you see? Yeah, but it's gonna go on the refrigerator. And you can order them too. You can order these. So this is the two that I have for the two handles here. And I think I already showed y'all how it fit. So I already finished up these two for y'all. Just give y'all, this is so cute, y'all. It has like, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like little bicycles on it. And so far the kids were looking at it and they're just enjoying it. They're staying at the refrigerator just to look at this. Would you believe it? Okay, so this helps a lot, y'all. It helps a lot. So when you finish it, if you want, you can get some other kind of paper. You can even use cloth, whatever you're comfortable with, and making your own refrigerator handle. I have some right in here. If y'all don't feel like doing your own DIY, oops, what? That went down there, y'all. You don't feel like doing your own DIY with a refrigerator handle covering it, so those bad kids won't get to it. I mean, not bad kids, but you know, adults too, believe it or not, have dirty hands. You would not really want them to. Wash your hands when you get in the house. Something I wanted to show y'all, that in this book, they have very beautiful Christmas decor ideas. And I might have the wrong book, but you can coordinate your whole kitchen as one theme. They had candy can theme. They had Christmas theme. They had all these different themes. I can't find it now, but when I come back on, because we're going to move along to another section, we'll come back to the kitchen probably when we're going to paint. We're going to paint the kitchen hopefully before this year's out. So we already got the paint, so I can't find that decor idea, but it was a beautiful decor idea where they had the matching, everything was matching, y'all. They had the candy can door handle, and they had the candy can knob, they had the candy can dish towel, candy can flow mats, everything was candy can for Christmas. And I thought that was so beautiful. Those of you who can afford it, or if you could get a sewing machine, go to Dollar Tree. You might can match it up in there, you know, do some kind of decor idea for your, see now it's not even in here, y'all. But see, cute little things like this, you know, like give yourself a sense of idea of how you're going to, you know, decorate your home for the Christmas holiday. But what makes me mad is that some of these things could be expensive. And see, look, they got this is really cute, y'all, look. They got the whole kitchen set almost here. See? Everything is matching here. So it's a coordination that they're doing here. They got their pillows, they got their curtains, they got things on the table, they got the runners, everything the same. So this is ideas that you can have. I was looking for the door handle, but I may have the wrong magazine, y'all. But when I come back, I'll show y'all. Okay, so we know what we need to do with these handles. We're going to place them back on the refrigerator and show y'all how it is. So this one goes at the top. Okay, you just take it and just push it in there, y'all. It should come right open. Now, like I said, I got it too tight on or something, but it should come right open. There it goes. He's getting there. Yeah, there you go. And this is good for the kids. And like I said to y'all, and the adults. Okay, y'all? And the adults. Okay, so now you have it. This one is the bottom. And this helps keeps the handle from getting so dirty. So dirty, y'all. You know, it really helps. And if it gets undue, just get some glue and glue it back together with some hot glue or something that makes you feel safe for the kids. But that's safe for the kids, as y'all can see. So, and for the adults too. Now, I don't have to wipe it down every day. You know, maybe once a week. Okay, so I'm going to be signing out right now, y'all, and I'm going to be bringing y'all some more of my my decor ideas. That one was a DIY. And like I said, if you don't feel like doing DIY, you can look at some of these books that's not too expensive, that has ideas on how to coordinate your kitchen. Look at this one. This one has look how beautiful this one is. Isn't that beautiful? It has the bird, the canary bird. And everything is coordinated. This is, you know, a good idea for the holidays, you know. And you personalize it yourself. You know, some of these things you can make on your own if you don't want to make it. And it has the salt and pepper. It has all this beautiful stuff here. So that's an idea for y'all to do for your holiday scenery. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to be signing out. And remember now, this is Mildred from Sweet Sugar Plum Home with ideas, decor ideas, meaning I'm just giving you decoration ideas that's going to make your house what? A Sweet Sugar Plum Home with what? Comfort.